Ma'am, your left.
Just hold up. Yeah. Olive straight. Here, ma'am, here.
Ma'am, here. Both of you here.
Yeah, both of you are straight.
Both of you your left, left. Ma'am, your left.
One more just hold.
One second.
Pooja, ma'am. Ma'am, your left.
Yeah, one more, ma'am, here.
Again here.
Ma'am, straight.
Here now.
Just straight, ma'am. Here, ma'am. Here,
Now here.
that one.
Ma'am, your left.
Pehla finish. Straight here. Ma'am,
यहाँ पे सब.
one more here, ma'am.
One to here.
Ma'am, your left. Ma'am, your. Look here, right. Ma'am, you're straight. Ma'am, you're. Ma'am, you're straight.
So how much you excited today you're selling salon opening is
Oh, it is very exciting, obviously, because we are basically north-based salon, but now coming to West and coming to Mumbai, which is a Bollywood, is again a challenge. But definitely very excited to be in Mumbai.
ओके सो आप अपने ये बिजनेस को अपने सन के हैंड ओवर करना चाहेंगे या खुद ही
अभी तो वो बहुत छोटा है, अभी तो वो 16 साल का है. बाकी देखते हैं कैसा उसको चलता है, कैसे करता है.
ब्रांचेस है आपके
अभी तो हम सिर्फ मुंबई में फोकस करेंगे. हमारा टारगेट है कि मुंबई में 20 आउटलेट खोलने का अगले 2 साल के अंदर.
ओके इन बॉलीवुड
Whole of Mumbai. This thing is, we are northeast Delhi based. We have about 73 locations right now in Delhi and NCR. But now Mumbai is the next target for us, and we're targeting about 20 odd locations in next 2 years to be in Mumbai.
से समथिंग अबाउट योर वर्क मतलब यहाँ क्या क्या होता है
What should I say about my work? My work is once you experience the work, you'll automatically talk. Our experience to the other salons will be very different. We're the only salon who's launched both the luxury lines. We launched Sebastian into India and also Kerastase into India. And our experience would say what we are all about. And I think so in coming time, Bombay will get to know what the quality of the salons they require or what is needed.
थैंक यू कैसा लगा
अच्छा जो हमारी फ्रेंड नेत्रा है शी इज़ इन चार्ज एंड व्हेन शी कॉल्ड us we couldn't say no and he doesn't want to look good and whenever there's a new salon, you would always see it's related to fashion. We always want to look good when it comes to hair, makeup, and everything. So that's how I came over here to check out this new place, and we have heard a lot about this place also.
Which is your favorite hairstyle and which model you look good with?
A favorite hairstyle for me, keeping my hair texture and length in mind, I prefer tonging or curling because it just gives a little bit more of volume than straighter hair. So I usually try and do tonging as far as possible.
One month you कितनी बार आप सैलून आना पसंद करते हैं?
मैं एक्चुअली बहुत कम जाती हूँ फ्रैंकली. मैं महीने में दो महीने में एक बार जाती हूँ, स्पेशली व्हेन आई हैव टू कलर माय हेयर और डू स्पा ट्रीटमेंट जस्ट बिफोर द फैशन वीक बिकॉज तब केमिकल्स का बहुत इस्तेमाल होता है बालों पे. सो वी हैव टू डू द स्पा ट्रीटमेंट दैट सेव्स माय हेयर फ्रॉम फॉलिंग एंड ब्रेकिंग अ लॉट.
तो आपके कोई अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट जॉब मीडिया जैसे?
हाँ जी, अभी फैशन वीक्स हमारे चालू होने वाले कुतियोर, लैक्मे, अमेजोन और अभी जो मिस इंडिया के विनर्स हैं डेलीगेट्स वो इंटरनेशनली जाने वाले, तो उनकी ट्रेनिंग चालू हो गई है मेरे साथ. हाँ जी,
इसके बारे में कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप?
हम ज़्यादा करके फैशन शोज ही करते हैं उसके लिए और आई थिंक स्पेन में हो रहा है इस बार. सो जस्ट वेटिंग कि हमें बुलावा कब आए एंड विल ऑल बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट एज ऑलवेज. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
You're from Punjab?
एक मिनट से वेट फोटो आएगा. एक मिनट, एक लास्ट.
पानी का
about this beautiful evening? How can be a part of it?
Vishal is your friend.
I've known Vishal for now over 20 years. I was there at the launch of his very first one, which started humbly with 4 chairs in the basement. And I'm very, very, very happy to be here. I think this is his 73rd venture.
Wow.
So I was there when I was there at his first venture, which was having 4 chairs. It was not male, female separately, it was unisex. You know, this one has separate sections. How many chairs? 18. In fact, 3 of the places where Vishal is there already in Delhi, I have a fitness center brand called Breathe Fitness. We are branded together. And 3 of his 3 projects in South Extension we are together, in Gurgaon we are together, and in a project in Model Town in Delhi we are together. So I know him personally, so 20 years. He's like a brother's growth. We love watching and getting bigger and bigger and bigger every year.
आप कौन से ब्रांड्स में इनके गए हैं hairstyles और new looks के लिए?
न्यू लुक्स तो एक अलग ब्रांड ही है, तो उनका तो नाम ही मत लीजिए। अफिनिटी का जहाँ सवाल है तो मेरे ख्याल से मैं इनके तकरीबन हर सालों में गया हूँ। एक में तो साथ में काम भी किया है, पैसे भी लगाए हैं। मतलब जो इनका साउथ एक्स वाला अफिनिटी है उसमें भी को पार्टनर है। इट्स अ वेरी वेरी कंफर्टेबल सॉर्ट ऑफ अपकमिंग नाउ 29th of July डिशो में साजिद नडियाड फिल्म। So I'm an important part of the film. And other than that, I've just come back from Kashmir. I've just completed a film in Malaysian. It's called Aku Bukan Terrorist, which means I'm not a terrorist. And we've shot the large portion of the film in Sonmarg, which is about 4 hours away from Srinagar, which is where your Bajrangi Bhaijaan was shot. And about 30-35% of the film has been shot in Malaysia.
So say something about your role which you played in that movie.
It's a very, very interesting role. The reason I chose the film, one was it was an international project in Malaysian language, so I liked the challenge. And the other aspect of it was that I got to play a good man. You know, so it's eventually somebody who is on the wrong path and gets onto the right path, and in a very intense way. So it's a sacrificing role. So I like that aspect of emotion in the role.
So would you like to work in a Kannada movie that what Kannada movie has got an international name?
Which one?
That's KT. The director KT. The movie name is KT.
Okay. Well, as far as Kannada cinema goes, I've been part of 11 films already in Kannada. 11. I've done about 32 films in Telugu. I've done 12 films in Tamil. I've done 3 films in Malayalam, 2 with Mr. Mohanlal, 1 with Mr. Dilip, and I've done about 45 films in Hindi.
The rumors is going on Bollywood that Salman is getting married in 2017 with Julia. What do you want to say about it?
Aren't you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
I think I'll be extremely happy if that happens. Anything that makes him happy, makes me happy.